Let's discuss Leetcode problem number 235, lowest common ancestor of a binary search tree. Before we discuss, please share, like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for notifications. Also, I have added a lot of quizzes to the community page. Please check it out. Now, back to the problem. This is similar to 236 as well as 1650 Leetcode. 236 is actually lowest common ancestor of a binary tree, whereas this one is the lowest common ancestor of a binary search tree. So the difference is in binary search tree, you have this pattern, like if the root nodes smaller elements are to the left of the root and greater elements are to the right of the root. So you need to maintain that property to be called as binary search tree. So that makes it very simpler, and by 236 is actually a binary tree. You don't have to have that property. So, and 1650 is where you have the parent pointer. You are just given parent pointers and two nodes, just P and Q. You need to find out if the lowest common ancestor of that nodes P and Q. So now in this case, it makes like in this case, if we take an example of 2 and 5. So the lowest common ancestor is 2. That's the example we'll take. Yeah. So let's look at the solution. So because it's a binary search tree, we can leverage the fact of like left of the root is all elements are less and right of the root all elements are greater, and makes that very simpler. Because if it is not a, while root is not a null pointer, if both the values are greater, then you look to the right, and if both the values are smaller, in our case, in our example, you look to the left. Otherwise you return the root. So it's as simple as that. So that's why I call this pattern as less than, both P and Q are less than root, greater than, both P and Q are greater than root. That is the second condition. And then either both and P and Q, or the third case, else case, where root is the lowest common ancestor, because either both are the left, small means the left tree has both the nodes, and otherwise right tree has both the nodes. Otherwise the root becomes, one is on the one side, the other one is on the other side. So the only lowest common ancestor is the root. So let us take this example. Say for example you are taking 2 and 5. So now when you come to 6, both 2 and 5 are smaller, so you go to the left branch. Now 2 and 5. So in this case, moving to the left subtree. So one side is on the other side, the one side is on the right side, the other one is not on the left side actually. So it is slightly different. It is the root itself. But it still will go into that else condition. So these are all AND conditions. And so because greater less, 2 is not greater than 2, so it will come into this condition, and 2 is the lowest common ancestor. That's it. Let me know if you have any comment below if you have any questions. Otherwise I will see you in the next video. Bye.